From the first Ginebra San Miguel produced in 1834, the pioneering distilled spirit has, over the years, become the epitome of product excellence and quality, reaping accolades and recognitions here and abroad. The proudly Philippine-made gin is the oldest consumer brand still in the market today, and also the world's largest selling gin. Ginebra San Miguel is an 80-proof Dutch-type gin made from sugarcane alcohol. Its predominant flavor comes from juniper berries and selected essences from all over the world. Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated, or GSMI, the manufacturer of Ginebra San Miguel, has continued the heritage of excellence of its flagship brand. Every drop and every bottle of Ginebra San Miguel go through a stringent production process to ensure optimal quality until it reaches our customers. Continuously expanding and evolving, GSMI operates the Philippines' biggest distillery and 5 bottling plants strategically located all over the country. Over the years, GSMI plants and facilities are constantly being modernized to ensure the quality of our products and to serve the high-volume demand of our customers. The Cabuyao plant in Laguna, a complete liquor manufacturing facility capable of developing and bottling liquor beverages, also serves as the headquarters of GSMI's research and development team. This team of trained experts ensures consistency, safety, quality, and overall excellence of every product that rolls out of the production line until delivery. In every step of the production process, these highly skilled and licensed chemists conduct tests and procedures in adherence to GSMI's quality standards. Among their tasks is to ensure that all our products consistently conform to what is declared on the product label. Our gin, Ginebra San Miguel, is 80 proof as shown on the label. As part of the quality assurance and quality control protocols, we evaluate the alcohol content of our major raw material, ethanol, from batch tank samples prior to bottling to finished bottled products using a state-of-the-art equipment called the density meter. Proof, or percent alcohol, is the measure of alcohol content, usually in the form of ethanol, in a liquid sample. In the English system of measurement, alcohol proof is twice the alcohol content by volume, or ABV. Therefore, Ginebra San Miguel, an 80-proof gin, contains 40% alcohol by volume. The density meter has significantly reduced the time for determining the alcohol proof from 3 hours in the old process to just 3 minutes. How does the density meter work? The U-tube is the most important internal part of the density meter, as it is also where the sample alcohol is placed. The U-tube inside the equipment continuously oscillates or vibrates when it is electronically excited. As the U-tube continuously vibrates, a wave with characteristic oscillation period is produced. Oscillation period is the measurement of distance between 2 consecutive crests of the wave. From the oscillation period, the density of the sample is calculated using the simple harmonic motion formula. The formula, first published by Joseph Fourier in 1822, was used to describe the location and acceleration of an object with a mass that moves back and forth like the vibrating U-tube. The A and B values are both derived using the calibration of the density meter equipment. For liquids that are denser than water, the weight of the liquid makes the U-tube vibrate slower, thus the oscillation period of the wave generated is high. With liquids that are less dense than water, the U-tube vibrates faster, generating a low oscillation period. After the density meter converts the oscillation period to density, the equipment then converts the density reading into proof using the alcohol concentration table taken from the Association of Official Analytical Chemists International, or AOAC. Now that we know how the equipment works, it's time to do the actual analysis in 2 easy steps. First step is the calibration of the density meter. Calibration is done using dry air and ultra-pure water to derive the A and B values of the simple harmonic motion formula. Press air pump button to flush air into the U-tube. This is a critical step in the calibration to ensure that the U-tube is dry and free from residue. Once the U-tube is cleaned, the density meter is now ready for calibration. Place vial containing ultra-pure water into position 1 of the auto sampler. To start the equipment calibration routine, press Menu. Press Checks Adjustments. Press Air Water at 20 degrees centigrade and OK buttons of the equipment. The command inputted triggers the equipment calibration using air first, then water. This procedure takes about 7 minutes to finish. After the calibration, step 2 is the alcohol content analysis of Ginebra San Miguel. Load the sample to the auto sampler and press the Start button to start the analysis. During this process, the sample is pumped into the U-tube several times to ensure that bubbles and other contaminants are removed and only the sample is present in the U-tube. The alcohol content of Ginebra San Miguel Gin, which is 80 proof, can be analyzed within 3 minutes using a density meter. The density meter is equipped with polarimeter and near-infrared spectrometer that deduct non-alcohol water ingredients such as sugar and other constituents in the product. Thus, the reading of the density meter pertains only to the ethanol and water content of the product. With the density meter, analysis of proof is accurate, fast, and easy. And because the U-tube is the most important internal part of the density meter, proper maintenance and care is essential. After every analysis, rinse the U-tube with water and then ethanol for faster drying time. After rinsing, pump air to ensure that the U-tube is always clean and free from sample residues. This routine quality control or quality assurance process, conducted by our licensed chemists, keep Ginebra San Miguel's quality consistent for consumers to enjoy the drink they love the same way all the time. All your favorite GSMI products go through the same quality control process, including Ginebra San Miguel, Ginebra San Miguel Premium Gin, GSM Blue, GSM Blue Flavors, Antona Vodka, Primera Light Brandy, Añejo Gold Rum, and the #1 Chinese wine, Vino Culafu, and San Miguel Ethyl Alcohol. Born out of the company's malasakit to our kabarangay, San Miguel Ethyl Alcohol was first produced to meet the surge in demand for rubbing alcohol at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic last year, and was donated to frontliners in hospitals and checkpoints all over the country. In keeping with world-class standards, GSMI processes have been accredited and certified with Good Manufacturing Practice or GMP certification for compliance on food safety and quality, Food Safety System and ISO certification for consistent quality of alcohol. Guided by our mission to provide world-class liquors to make every occasion a celebration, Ginebra San Miguel will always be passionate on growing our portfolio of the finest distilled spirits that people trust and enjoy, wherever they may be. Ginebra San Miguel is committed to giving our best to the rest of the world.